Yeah, recording for the papa. This is what it is, yeah. So this is a boy cooking with Sindaco, and for sure for shizzle and nizzle, I'm doing everything for you, yeah. So the Kokonte is not ready. So this is Chris Brown, yeah, Chris Brown. The wole is quite done. That means I don't know. Hello family, welcome back. Yeah, so before we start, if today is your first time watching, I welcome you on board, and please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified. Yeah. Today we are preparing one of Ghana's favorite, famous and the most cheapest food in Ghana, locally known as Kokonte or Face the Wall. Yeah.
Come on. Hey, come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, so straight from the airport, about to give it to you in a special way. Yeah, this food I'm about to prepare is one of the food that's been underrated. Yeah, but very cheap and affordable. A food with so many names. La Pewa, Dog Reverse, Chris Brown, Face the Wall, just name it. Yeah, Kokonte for short. Yeah? In fact, Kokonte and Fufu are family because they all come from cassava. We are here and we buy some Kokonte, yeah? So it's basically cassava flour, but local no Kokonte, yeah.
This one is your dry one.
Yeah. Yeah, so we went to market this morning to get our fresh ingredients for the preparation of the soup and the Kokonte. This food will come with peanut soup. These ingredients are fresh tomatoes, tomato paste, turkey berries, pepper, okra or okra, smoked fish, cow skin, locally known as willy, and Nigerians also call it pomo. We have onions, we have peanut paste, and the dry cassava flour.
Come on. Hey,
Yeah, so starting, we first mix the peanut paste with water and tomato paste. Then you set it aside after mixing it together.
come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
So first time seeing granite and tomato paste mixed together before it goes on top of fire. Like I've seen granite soup several times. I know how to prepare some, but I've not seen this method.
Hey, come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
So you're about to grind this
For steaming.
ingredient for the steaming of the fish, the smoked fish, the one that we bought from the market. So this is our cow skin and woolly, locally known as woolly. Yeah, Arakodo. And the process. Now you grind or blend some of the ingredients using the local blender Asanka Poyoyo to steam the smoke, and then we boil the remaining ingredients for the soup.
Come on, hey, come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
Yeah, so starting the soup, we first have to wash our meat and the fish. Okay, so we cut the cow skin or the willy to the size that we want and wash them nicely. We do the same thing to the fish, to the smoked fish, by removing the carcass and the bones from the fish, and also divide them into 2 or 3 depending how the size of the fish looks like. We also have beef. Yeah, beef is locally, it's like meat seasoning with salt. Okay, yeah, so that's what we call beef. So now after adding our fish and meat together to the pot, we now add our just blended spices to our fish. Okay, just for the steaming of the basement of the soup. Yeah. So at this point, our boiled ingredient is ready, so we take it off from the fire, then we put it aside. So moving on, it's time to fry the peanuts. So put the peanuts on fire, and then you stir the peanut until you see oil on the surface. Okay, so it's now time to blend or grind our boiled ingredients. Okay,
Come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
Yeah, so now we put our pot on fire. Yeah, this pot contains everything, the basement of the soup. Yeah, fish, the grinded ingredients and all those stuffs. Yeah, so we put it on fire, then we allow it to heat or to start to boil. Okay, and this soup will not contain any what do you call it, modern spices. Like everything will be the natural stuff that we blended. Yeah, so salt has been added to the basement of the peanut soup.
Come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
So now we add water to the peanuts and mix it well to make sure that everything is being dissolved. Then we pour everything inside the pot. Okay, so this is where the soup, the interesting part begins. Yeah, the beginning of the soup, yeah, is the wisdom of the ending.
Come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
So we now add our blended ingredients to the soup. Yeah, then you stir, then you leave on top of fire to boil.
Come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
Yeah, so we're making a second fire for the Kokonte, the Lapewa, the dog reverse, Chris Brown. Yeah, so before the Kokonte gets ready, the soup will be also ready. So it's now time to prepare the face the wall or the Kokonte, and we have added water to the pot because we need hot water to prepare Kokonte. So we need to sieve the flour because it's not all that smooth. So we need to sieve it to take off or to put aside the particles, the remaining particles, so that I can have smooth Chris Brown. That's the process of sieving the dry cassava flour for the Kokonte. So basically, Kokonte and Fufu are family, brother and sister. But the difference is, Kokonte, you need to dry the cassava after peeling off the skin to dry it and make sure it's very dry before you blend them. That's where you can use Kokonte. And Fufu is you just peel off the skin, you boil the cassava, then you pound them. Yeah. So that's the difference. But they are all from cassava. But this food is underrated, the most cheapest food, but people doesn't respect this food, but it's very delicious. Kokonte, Lapewa, aka Face the Wall, Chris Brown, Dog Reverse, yeah, everybody be Lapewa, everybody, Gigi, yeah, Gigi, that's the name, Gigi. Yeah. So these are the remaining particles that I've received, you see? And last but not the least, we now add our okra to the soup. So now the okra or the okra, yeah, they call it speed because it helps the Kokonte to go fast. As later down, yeah. So the okra is now going inside, and as you can see, the peanut soup is also boiling. So very soon everything will be set on point, and our peanut soup will be ready. We also have the Kokonte aside over here, and have you seen the sieving? So this is our boiled water, and we just placed a metal brick, and the water, some of the water has been set aside. No salt has been added to our boiled water. Okay. So preparing Kokonte, don't need salt in your water. This is the Kokonte. Okay. So yeah. So now, hey, mommy, your experience because people also should have, but they just pour it inside everything.
Come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
Most cheapest food in Ghana, the whole of Ghana, this is the cheapest food.
Come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
So the Lapewa, the Chris Brown, the Gigi. Almost done. Kokonte with our peanut soup, in Katsungkwai, yeah? Organic soup. Simple steps, simple procedure. You can have some or wherever you are. If only if you can have access to the ingredients, you can prepare some. Yeah. And I also show you how you can prepare your own kokonte or what do you call it, cassava flour at home. Yeah. So stay tuned, stay connected, and I'm bringing you more back to back this time around. Okay. So activate or turn on the notification bell so that we notify when new video like this drop. Cooking with Sindaco. Yeah, for sure. So. Yeah, recorded for the papa. It is what it is, yeah. So this is a boy cooking with Sindaco, and for sure, for shizzle my nizzle, I'm doing everything for you, yeah. So the Kokonte is not ready. Davy,
Aye. Oh.
Come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
so now the Kokonte is ready, and the soup is also ready, yeah. A pew too. So we have fish and willy, cow skin. The willy is quarterly done. That means I don't know.
Come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
So we've done with our Kokonte, Chris Brown, yeah, aka Lapiowa, Gigi, and dry cassava flour. And as you've seen the process, very simple thing to do. Lovely food, one of the most food which is underrated in Ghana, but cheap, very cheap, yeah. Food for the hustlers, yeah. So, no problem. Wow. So this is okra. So you squeeze it and mix with the soup. Anyway. Wow. Yeah, so I'm enjoying, okay? So this cooking with Sindaco, let's meet again. Stay connected. Ghana episode, discovering food. Let's do this again. Tell a friend and tell a brother. For shizzle my nizzle, I'm off, baby.